Hello! Welcome to my channel. This is critical info for creating this story. This story features a bear, a rabbit, and an eagle. So when you're making the images, please always use these keywords in your prompts. Bear, rabbit, and eagle. Also, please use real animals. No cartoon animals allowed. Oh. And this story is all about the power of forgiveness. Friends, sometimes when we get really angry, even if someone apologizes, we just can't forgive them. But holding on to that anger only hurts us. So, this is a great story for kids to learn how forgiving others can make our hearts lighter and our friendships stronger. Alright, let's dive right in. Scene 1. Here we have our three friends hanging out together. We've got Bruno the Bear, Ruby the Rabbit, and Eddie the Eagle. They are playing together near a forest stream on a beautiful, sunny day. Scene 2. Oopsie daisy! It looks like Bruno just accidentally stepped on Ruby's carefully built stick house. And wow, did he crush it? Looks like he didn't mean to do it though. Oh, dear. What will Ruby say? She worked so hard on that house all morning. Let's ask her. Oh, no! It looks like Ruby is deeply upset and quite shocked. Even her ears are flattened against her head. Wow. Bruno looks really sorry. He feels bad about what happened. But what will Ruby say? Let's listen. Oh dear. It seems Ruby is really angry. She says Bruno ruined everything and she's too upset to even talk to him anymore. Even though Bruno keeps saying sorry, it doesn't seem like it's helping. Ruby runs off, sniffling and wiping her eyes. Scene 4. Ah! Now Ruby is all alone and she's still crying. She feels sad and keeps thinking about how bad she feels. Bruno is somewhere in the distance, but he's also alone and sad. He misses his friend. Eddie the Eagle flies over to see what's going on. Scene 5. Eddie asks Ruby why she's so sad. She tells him about her amazing house that Bruno accidentally broke. Then Eddie says something really wise. He tells Ruby that holding onto her anger and sadness is like having a heavy stone in her heart. But if she forgives Bruno, it will be like taking that stone out of her heart and setting her free. At first, Ruby isn't sure if she can do that. She's still pretty upset about her house. But she thinks about what Eddie said. Maybe forgiving Bruno would make her feel better? So she decides to find Bruno and tell him she forgives him. Scene 6. Here we go. Ruby finds Bruno and gives him a big hug. He looks very surprised and happy to hear her say that she forgives him. And wow, look at that. All the anger and sadness just disappeared. It's like there's a bright light shining on her face. In her heart, it feels like all the heavy, negative feelings turned into butterflies. She feels so much better already. Scene 7. Yay! Our friends are back together again! They're all working together to rebuild Ruby's stick house. It looks like they're having fun and laughing while they work. And because they're all good friends and forgive each other, their friendship is even stronger than before. Yay! We did it! Friends, we created a wonderful story about forgiveness with our animal friends. Thank you for being part of this magical journey. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Keep being awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.